ṣe nǹkan rere ní fún wọn ní owó wọn.
Okay, my name is Demola Olukayode Michael, and I'm an ex-student of Odunlade Adekola Films Production. Well, precisely January 16th, 2017. That was when I joined OFE. Well, as I do say to a lot of people, this is a citadel of learning. For me, it's a home. It's a place where I have learned so many things about moral. I've learned how to relate with fellow human beings. Take, for example, I have some certain characters before I joined this citadel of learning, this home for me. And then when I came in here, by the grace of God and through the grace upon the man that God has committed this organization to his hand, Ambassador Odunlade Adekola, he was able to impart so many knowledge in the way I relate with people. I used to be this type of person that don't just want to relate with people. I just want to be on my own. I easily get angry easily, and I take things personal. But having learned so many ways from him, so many things from him, I got to know that you just have to see people through the eyes of who they are. Just do you. Okay, so apart from learning filmmaking, learning directing, learning makeup and every other thing, you also learn moral, how to relate with your fellow human beings. So for me, it has been a wonderful journey. It has been a fantastic journey for me. And kudos to, I give glory to God and I thank God for my angel, Ambassador Odunlade Adekola.
Ibi contract mo sọ fún yín yẹn, ibẹ̀ ni mo ti ń bọ̀ yìí. Ẹ wo, wọ́n ní pa wọn ò ṣe mọ́, èyí tó burú bẹ̀ sà. Wọ́n tún wá ní kí n dá mobilization fee tí wọ́n ti sọ fún mi. Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín gbà yẹn náà sà, wípé mobilization fee la fi ń jẹun. Wọ́n ti ní kí n dá padà o.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Alàgbà, ẹ dẹ̀ sure pé ẹni tẹ́ gbà sílé, ẹni tó jẹ́ oníbàárà ni.
Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ yìí? Oníbàárà gidi ni, tó fọ́jú tí ò ríran. Kò ń ṣe oníbàárà tó ní union o. Eléyìí ń dárìn ni. Ẹ sà.
Alàgbà, ẹ farabalẹ̀. Ẹ wò, ẹ jókòó. Ẹ fún mi ní just 5 minutes.
Ẹ jẹ́ n dúró báyìí. Mo wà okay báyìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ fún mi 5 minutes.
So I learned the craft of filmmaking. I learned how to relate with people on set, how you can master your script, and how you can bring out the character in which you have been told to do on set. The negative for me has been, I remember very well when I joined, the road was rough. I was combining both school with my career. And coming all the way, I based in Ibadan, Oyo State, and it wasn't easy coming all the way. Sometimes the message is just impromptu. And I'm saying this for the benefit of those that thought film industry is just a place where you can just come and have fun. Sometimes it's not like that. Message just comes like midnight and boss want you on set like the following morning, latest by 8 o'clock you are here. But still, we're able to push it through. Sometimes you be coming, your car had to break down along the road. He's a man that doesn't take excuse. He understands the feeling of being human. But at the same time, he's a professional to the core. He just wants you to be that man. Okay, so I remember very well, how he's going to tell you, man, until you become that person that God has created you to be, he will not let you be. And kudos to him. So for the positive, I thank God today I can say one or two things about filmmaking, and the negative is that my negative have turned to positive today. Okay, so it's just a journey, but today I can give glory to God because it has made me who I am. Yes, thank you very much. I was still on the training when boss spoke about the Saamu Alajo production, and we didn't know that it's going to be like this. Even though, yes, he's a man of great vision. When boss tells you we're going to do this, forget about it. He will achieve it. He doesn't want to hear about, just like what I said the other time. He's a man that doesn't take excuses. He just wants you to believe in yourself. Yeah, there's something I always tell people that I've learned from here. I said that he's a man that taught me that if you can conceive it, you believe it, you can achieve it. So I knew right from the day one that it's a great vision. And see, today, Saamu Alajo is everywhere. So I knew right from the time that it's going to be a bomb. It's going to be everywhere. But I didn't see it like the way it is today, like, man, Today you are here, tomorrow you are there, every Friday thing, you know. But all the same, all glory to God for where we are today. So for me, I'll say it's 2 episodes. Yeah, and that is episode 97. That is Ashilo Agbara, and the 99 episode, which is Iyawo Soldier. 97 spoke about Ashilo Agbara, how people misuse the power that God has given to them, or maybe you have an opportunity to be one major person in the society and you just want to oppress people with your power. And Iyawo Soldier spoke about, because somebody tells you something about someone. This talk actually spoke about a soldier whose wife and Saamu had an issue, and because the wife just got home and reported Saamu, and because you are a military officer, you actually sent your people to go and maltreat this man, and they beat him, and at the end of the day, you got to know that Saamu actually was a benefactor to this soldier. Yes, so this is moral lessons, like it's a moral that cut across so many things, and like at the end of each episode, you will discover that there's something, a take home for everybody. So it's always one lesson to the other, and once again, kudos. That's all I have to say. So 2 episodes for me, it was fantastic, a top notch for me. Ashilo Agbara and Iyawo Soldier.
I don't have any talent.
Money talent to Olori.
Ṣèrí gbà mí, mo máa ń kọrin, mo lè láwọn kan tí mo máa ń kọjọ bí group, mo ní ìwé ìjọ. Ìwọ ló tú mi fún ìwọ ló tú mi fún ló sọ pé mo máa ń kọrin.
So wàá láì tí ẹ kò máa gbọ́ nísìn. I can jump.
Ẹ̀ka ìjọ mo lè fò.
And touch the sky.
Máa fò ọkọ̀ sky.
I am the foolish man in this town.
Sir, you said.
Show gbọ́n kan tó sọ yẹn.
Mo gbé sẹ́.
Ó yá sọ dùn.
Sing! Double dog. I can jump and touch the sky. I can jump and touch the sky. I am the biggest foolish man in the tower. I am the biggest foolish man in this town.
Okay, thank you. I am a Nigerian. I was born and brought up from Oyo State, Ibadan precisely. My dad is from Ondo State, my mom is from Osun State. So, having said all of this, I'm a Nigerian. But like I said, one of the things I also learned here is how to speak well. Because Odun is not just a Yoruba man, he knows how to speak well. So every day I come for rehearsals, I pick 1 or 2 things from him. And just like what I said, he taught us how to relate with people, both in the industry and outside industry. So for me, when you speak or when you do something, I just want to learn from it. And yeah, Yoruba industry wasn't easy, but my boss taught me how to speak Yoruba pretty well. And because it's not easy, blending the two together. So I am a Nigerian in a nutshell, sir. I think we shouldn't even talk about 5 years. Let's first talk about what OFP has done in the industry. It's dominating everywhere. It's everywhere today. You can't see a home without talking about OFP TV YouTube channel. Okay, so when you are talking about 5 years, then you are talking about continent of the world. You are talking about myself. If God says I'm still going to be in Nigeria, maybe I'm in Canada or US, representing these great organizations. Okay, so OFP is going to be everywhere on the continent. OFP is going to be in the United States, it's going to be in London, it's going to be in Canada, Germany. Talk about everywhere because it's a big vision and it's just booming out every day, every now and then. It's one new idea to the other. So for 5 years, it's a big one. Don't even let's go about it. It's going to blow your mind away. Yeah, thank you very much. Let me first start with the convener, the man that has the idea, the president, Ambassador Dunladi, my boss. I call him Daddy. Thank you for saying yes to God when he gave you this, idea. Because this episode has really given a platform to a lot of students that are not known before, for them to be known by everyone. You want to talk about Yoshibi, Pelebe, Elerion, and the likes, myself as well. It has given us an avenue. We give glory to God and we thank our boss for this great privilege He has given. And my prayer is that it's going to be from one success to another, from one greater level of glory to another. And for our wonderful viewers at home, hey, on behalf of OAFP, hey, we just want to say thank you for being there, because without you there is no us. And God will continue to bless you abundantly.
I'm Adiola Adesanya, also known as Elerinye. I joined OAFP on the 8th of August 2018. Yeah, 2018. We are still on training. I'm still a trainee. Well, we all felt good because we never expected anything of such. Like, we didn't even predict all this, but as it goes, we are just going with the flow, and we are thankful. Yeah, very, very grateful.
I need your help, eh? I'm so speak to her, then you can go 12,000. I'm not fit good at there. Àṣírí ẹ máa ti tú wọ́n máa rojú ẹ̀ káàkiri nínú ilé mà ní kó lóyún mà ní. Èmi oyún ibo mo ti fẹ́ rè lóyún. Mo ló ti fẹ́ róyún lẹ́sẹ̀ bí bó ọmọkùnrin. Ọmọkùnrin ni mí. Aboyáwé bí irú yẹn mo sọkùnrin ni mí wọn kí lálá rẹ̀ rí. Oníranù. Ṣé ò lóyún? Ó sì kiri àbí. Dásà mú. Ẹjọ́ náà bínú pé mo fara fún yín. Nítorí pé mo lóyún Dásà mú. Orí mi kan ló ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ nọ́ọ̀sì kan. Mi mọ̀ pé quack nurse ni. Ilé ọmọ mi ti bàjẹ́ fún Dásà mú. Ilé ọmọ ẹ ti bàjẹ́. Ẹlẹ́rìí ẹ̀yẹ. Ìwọ ló lóyún. Ìwọ ló ṣẹ́yún. Ilé ọmọ ẹ bàjẹ́. A lot of positive impacts has been on me myself. For example, you going out, seeing people shouting you, Eleme, it's something good. Definitely people are seeing us, and some are actually counting on us now. But the negative part is it has been so I don't want to use the word draining, because we are in this, and I believe for us to come here, we are all prepared that whatever we face here, we want it for better and yield results. So it's part of our job. Okay, let me say 72, 73. I have a lot of favorite episodes. Iwa, Orashe, Ake, Oyun to be precise. I think that was majorly for me. Yeah. PVC, because that one actually sent a message, a direct message to all our target audiences and intending fans. So, and the message was, they are all clear. So almost everything. That's Saamu. Character himself, he has a lot of character and attitude. So I believe he's our person. There's no way we are going to push him. So we love it. But Saamu is a very, very honest person. Yes. Even though he doesn't like you in the community, he will never want anything bad to happen to you. He will protect you to the core. Kí ló wá fà tó fi parọ́ fún mi gangan pé o lóyún? Saamu, olè ojú ni. Olè ojú ló fà. Mo ní boyfriend. Tí mi àtẹ̀jọ́ wọ́n sùn. Ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tí mo ti pàdé ẹni yẹn,
50,000, 100,000 kò sí iye tí mo bí tí kò fún mi. Mo jẹ́ ti lóyún fún tọ́kì nítorí pé àmúgbó ni mi ò lè fẹ́. Ó ń fa kókè, ó tún ń fẹ́ wọ́.
Ó mú gbó, ó fa kókè, ó fẹ́ wọ́. Ohun tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ rèé, ohun tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ rèé. Ìtorí ẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn tó máa ń blame àwọn baby mama mi. Àfi kọ́ máa tọrọ ìdáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ò mọ irú nǹkan tó gbé wọn débẹ̀. Irú condition báyìí ló gbé lòmíì débẹ̀. Ó lè jólé ibi tó sọ ìlú òótọ́. Àwọn míì ò dẹ̀ kì í ṣólé ojú tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ti rárá sí tán. Wọ́n máa rò ọmọlúàbí ni ẹni tí wọ́n ń fẹ́ ó máa fìwọ́ ẹ̀ pamọ́. Wọn ò ní mọ̀ kò tí hide wá ẹ̀. Ó máa disguise fún wọn. Ó bá di pé ó ti fún ọ lóyún tán àbí tán ti wọlé tán báyìí á bá gbé wẹ̀ jáde. Ó lè jẹ́ woman beater.
The next 5 years, forward ever, backward never, because I can't predict that, but I believe we are going higher, and best known to our desires, his own plans too, because there are a lot of things he won't make known to us, but I believe whatever he's doing is for the progress of OAFP itself. Ambassador Odunlade Adekola, not Brother Saamu. My boss is very fantastic. So he's very hardworking. He's someone that will push you, even if you don't have anything to offer. But as far as you are ready, that yes, I'm ready for this, he will push you till you are even proud of yourself. So he doesn't relent on raw talent. Like, as far as you want to learn, he will carry you along. So he's a very fantastic someone. At the cast, at the crew, I think without the crew, there will be no production. And without the actors, that's the cast, there will be nothing like production. So, gbogbo wa a jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ láti send message kan, láti educate, láti entertain, láti inform àwọn èèyàn. So I don't really have much to say on that. Kọ́lọ́run lọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀mí wa kó dẹ̀ máa fún wa lókun àtagbára láti ṣiṣẹ́ wa bí iṣẹ́.
My name is Nuruddin Aziz, aka Welter, aka Iso, as Brother Saamu will surely say.
Tẹ́tí o kẹ́ gbọ́ o nǹkan tó bá ti ní kẹ́ ṣe tẹ́ bá fi lè ṣe abẹ́yìn yẹn a máa gé.
Iso kí mo ṣe fún ẹ tó lé Ọlọ́run gbogbo àdúgbò dẹ̀ máa dání kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ tó lé tó yí báyìí. Mo appreciate abẹ́ mi gbọ́ mo cherish abẹ́ mi nǹkan bá wù ẹ́ ló lè gé lára má gé mi lábẹ́.
Yeah, I think it's because of my being. I have I'm hairy, and I think Brother Saamu gave me that name due to Esau from the Bible. Yeah, I joined OAFP 2020. Currently, I'm still a trainee. I'm telling you, OAFP is a place of wisdom, and we actually got that from our boss.
Àlejò yọ síbí àbí?
Yes.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ rà.
Ó dàbí mo mojú yìí.
Ẹ mojú mi?
Yes.
Níbo ni ẹ?
Ní Yaba.
Ṣé kìí ṣe Yaba apá òsì ṣá?
Something like that. Fọlẹ́ máa ń ta puff-puff níbi junction tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Kí ló tó ìkọ́sùn ẹ̀? Ẹ má kọ́sùn wọn, àwọn ọmọ yan. Exactly, èmi gangan ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Níwájú Yaba apá òsì gangan, èmi gangan ni mò ń ta nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀. Patient dẹ̀ ni mí rí ní Yaba apá òsì. Ṣé tí bá ti ta nǹkan láàárọ̀ ń bẹ̀? Láàárọ̀ ni máa ń ta puff-puff yẹn níwájú Yaba apá òsì. Ṣé tó bá yá dọ̀sán? Mọ́yọ̀lẹ̀ máa wá sálágo méjì máa wá ta puff-puff ń bẹ̀ àti buns. Tó bá ṣe díẹ̀ máa lọ sí ibi Kano Street. Ibẹ̀ ni mo ti máa ń ta gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí mò ń ta. ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o ẹ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹgbà Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kẹ́ pẹ́ fúnra yín o Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ pẹ́ fúnra ojú àtúnra rí láàrin èmi àti yín sẹ́ ojú àtúntúnra rí ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ okú àlejò ẹ pẹ́ fúnra yín ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ rasa ẹ kúṣẹ́ ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́bẹ́ àbórí mi orí mi ẹ ṣé o mo ti yọ síbí.
Bọ̀dá Sàámú.
mo ń lọ kábọ̀ o.
Mo lè ń lọ Bọ̀dá Sàámú.
mo fẹ́ lọ ra fúláwà ni.
Fúláwà.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ ṣe pọ̀pọ́ọ̀fù mo fẹ́ dín fún yín lé ẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ fi ṣe sàrà fún yín mo ń bọ̀ very soon.
Kí ló máa ṣe lè. Ó ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́. Máa yọjú síbí ó tiẹ̀ ní nǹkan tó yẹ kí mi àti ẹ̀ka àdìjọ máa sọ má kàn lọ jókòó sí Kánò náà. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
I was so happy because, you know, it is something that you get to do on a daily. And when you do this, you need to improve in yourself. When Saamu Alajo was introduced, I was like, wow, this is very, very massive. You have to come to locations almost every week for you to, improve yourself, improve your acting, improve your skills, improve your talent. And so far, I've been able to, learn one or two things from our boss. How many episodes? Okay, I would say from episode 1 to 100, about 60 plus episodes. I have some days, One, this episode, there was this episode before I come, I think it was Brother Saamu and helping Yoshibi, to have a market. She was selling drinks, you understand. I just called him. It was I think someone shanked him, on the street. Yoshibi saw I think a former classmate or so when they were in school, and decided to leave Brother Saamu hanging. So on my way going out of the street, I was just going out and I saw Brother Saamu, he was just mumbling and rumbling. I was like, what's wrong? At that day I had fun because I just told him my mind, I spoke to him.
Ẹ wá ń bí kí ló máa ń ṣe yín náà kí ló máa ń ṣe yín tẹ̀ kí n lo brain yín àwọn èèyàn tó wà ládùúgbò ọmọ àwọn bóyá ẹ lọ́pọlọ ni bàbá ta súnmọ́ yín ó ti yé yín you don tey now.
ojú gbá mi ni.
ẹ má bínú ó ti yé yín
onímọ̀ ṣe bí pé mi lọ́pọlọ.
ẹ má bínú àwọn èèyàn tó wà ládùúgbò ló ń rò bẹ́ẹ̀ bàbá ta súnmọ́ yín ó ti yé yín a mọ̀ pé smart kí ni ìwà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ lè wá ń tẹ̀lé obìnrin kan ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé ẹ̀ ń bá tajà ẹ̀ ń bá ṣe kíní kan ṣé mo kọ́ táwọn obìnrin jẹ́ ni use and dump ni wọ́n náà wọ́n máa lò yín bá máa gbé yín jù lẹ́yìn ẹ wá ń tẹ̀lé obìnrin kan ẹ yá ṣí ọpọlọ yín kẹ́lẹ́kọ́ rí yín pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan Bọ̀dá Saamu ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé à ń respect à ń fún yín ní kinní ẹ wá ń tẹ̀lé obìnrin kan ẹ̀ ń tajà ẹ ṣí ọpọlọ yín o ẹ ṣí ọpọlọ yín àjẹbẹ̀ ẹ máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún oníṣẹ́ ni ó ti yé yín ìyá yín tán nìyẹn o.
First of all, to the cast and crew, wow, because I'm part of the cast, and I just want to commend every one of us. We are actually doing a great job, and we should continue doing it, because this Saamu Alajo has so much helped so many of us, to project our talent, our skills in different forms, you understand. And to the fans, we do go and shake on, gbogbo comments yín, gbogbo likes yín, gbogbo views yín tẹ́ máa ń bá wa ṣe.
Okay, Deborah Mekuse, my name. I joined January 15, 2020. Yeah, I'm still a trainee. Wow, the group has really taken me to a long way. It teach me morale. It also teach me how to get closer to God. It teach me how to interact and relate with people from different tribes and different ethnies. Thank you.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, kí ló dé tó ń dáre láàmú báyìí torí ọkùnrin bí ti báwo òun ní tó ń wá oyún kiri kí ló kan rú àwa báyìí èmi tí mo ṣì wà ní street ṣé mo lè máa wá oyún kiri kò possible tó bá ní any man tó sọ pé òun love mi nsìn mo máa ní mo love ẹ̀ padà ni tó bá tiẹ̀ ní kí n bímọ fún mo máa ní mo gbọ́ ni màá dẹ̀ máa gba owó ẹ̀ títí màá fi gbà tán ni tí n bá tún gbà tán mo tún máa lọ́dọ̀ èèyàn mi màá tún ṣe the same thing.
ìwọ náà gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ o kúrò ń bí o bọ́ sàn ìyẹn náà tán o bọ́ sí ibi padà as in until when ìgbà wo ló fẹ́ ṣe dà kò sí obìnrin tó máa wà nílé ayé tó máa ní pé òun ò fẹ́ bímọ torí wọ́n bí wa ni bíbí ló bí wa àwa náà gbọ́dọ̀ bímọ.
ṣebí mi mo nira mi.
ìgbà tó nira ẹ̀yìn ò wá ní kó wọn ṣe yàmáyàmá.
bẹ́ẹ̀ la ṣe máa bá ẹ sọ títí tó ò ní gbọ́ tó ò ní gbà ìwọ ló mọ̀ wo tó bá ṣáà ti ṣe tán bì.
ibẹ̀ kan ló ti sọ tó lóòrà ayé ìtọkùnrin ọkùnrin tó bá ti kó sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ bá gba gbogbo owó ẹ̀ tán ni olóòrà ayé ọmọ bíbí òdẹ̀rà ayé àti fẹ́yàn kankan lásìkò yìí ó nìyẹn.
baby hold on show n play me.
wọ́n má dáwọn lóhùn just calm down wọ́n máa explain for you later.
wá olóṣì nìyẹn téèyàn bá ti nífẹ̀ẹ́ nǹkan joko lọ́pọ̀lọ́ ó ti nífẹ̀ẹ́ abẹ́ jù èmi lè wọrí lẹ́yìn tí mo sọ tuntun baby ṣọ́ play mi ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ kò súnmọ́ kó gbà létí ó nìyẹn ọmọ gidi lọ olóṣòkó sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ tí ẹ bá ẹ.
It was a great feeling for me. I was so excited about it because it has really brought me to a line. It showcased me to people a lot, and people get to know me from Saamu Alajo even more than any other movie.
We are filming, and I fell down. The wound is still on my leg, and I could remember the day our boys asked me to date a blonde lady. So I was just thinking, can I do it? But I thank God for our boss' life and for my life, so I'm able to achieve it.
nídìí gbogbo ìgbàkíbi máa kàn yín táyà tọmọ.
bàbá mi ẹ jẹ́ ṣàánú mi o bàbá mi tó ń lọ.
ẹ ní sùúrù how do you know báwo lẹ ṣe mọ̀ kí bàbá ló ń lọ.
ohùn yín ni mo gbọ́ bàbá mi.
ó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ àwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n ní strong voice bíi tèmi. ẹ má dúró àwọn obìnrin tó wà tó jẹ́ pé ohùn wọn strong bíi tèmi ní ẹ jẹ́ kí bàfọ̀ wá kí yín káàárọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ bó bá ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín. ẹ wá ẹ dẹ̀ ṣu ọ̀pọ̀ àfọ́jú ni.
n lè parọ́ afọ́jú ni mí.
Are you sure you are blind?
ìtàn yín.
You are blind completely.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ayé yín blind àbójú yín ló blind.
Ojú mi sì ni.
Let me say more than 50 episodes. Let me talk about his love life with Yoshibi. So I don't really understand if they really love each other or not. So that one normally give me a thought that are they going to end it in getting married to each other or what? Wow. Let me say he's my father because he don't really take me as a student, but he do treat me and every other well. I will call him a father, a mentor, a teacher, because the way he treats me, he imparts so many knowledge in me, even more than what boss can do. So that is why I call him my father and my mentor. The cast and the crew, they really did a great job. Without them, there's no Saamu Alajo. So well done to them all and to all our fans, Saamu Alajo fans. So thank you to all the fans of Saamu Alajo all over the world.
Good ritualist. Ẹ̀gbọ́n bí wọ́n gbọ́ bàbá yìí ẹ̀gbọ́n ọ̀yá owó mi jà láàrin owó mi rè gbogbo owó orí burúkú tí mo gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ owó òṣì tí mo gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ oore mo ti dàlẹ̀ kò ní dà fún ẹ ìwọ o fẹ́ sọ mí dé kú mo máa wá lọ dàbí ẹ mọ́ àbí kí lọ dàbí ẹ ọ̀rọ̀ àbí kí lọ dàbí òkété nínú eku tó bá dẹ̀ máa sọ mí dẹ̀rọ bí mo ṣe wà ràkúnmí tàbí màálù onírú mi máa yà tí bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ ràkúnmí ike mi náà wọ́n máa lé kó tó sáré jẹ mo máa sáré jẹ kébi àbí kó jẹ kun ẹran mi.
oṣù bá tán mo fẹ́ gbowó mi tán oṣù máa parí mo fẹ́ gbowó mi.
My name is Adela Rebecca Ayomide, aka baby student of Saamu Alajo. That name, okay, my boss gave me the name. Actually, I don't know why, but maybe because I happen to be the, should I say smallest in stature or something? Or maybe, I don't know, but you know all these baby traits now. She gets so. I joined OFP on the 29th of January 2020. I'm still a trainee. OFP so far taught me morals, how to be patient, and being ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìfaradà àti sùúrù. So I give it to OFP.
Talele. Tani.
Ẹ káàsán.
Wà ń bí jàre. Orí mi ń bí lánàá ní ó dẹ̀ kí mi tó dẹ̀ ń lọ. Kí ló ṣe ẹ́?
Kò sí mo jáde ni.
Tó ń gbélé nǹkan. Mi ò rí mọ́tò Ayọ̀mídé ńlé. Mi ì dẹ̀ rí pẹ̀lú mi nítòsí. Pẹ̀lú mi gangan ló dé important torí pẹ̀lú mi ni mo ṣe wá.
Ṣé rí ìyàwó wọn nírọ̀lẹ́ àná mo rí tó jáde. Bọ̀ kò pẹ́ ọkọ wọn náà gbé mọ́tò. Ó dẹ̀ jáde. Kan tí mo dẹ̀ rí mọ́ nìyẹn.
Wọ́n jáde lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀.
Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ló jáde.
Ibo wá ní pẹ̀lú mi lọ torí mo ní láti rí o. Mo ní láti rí pẹ̀lú mi báyìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí n tó sọ fún mi o. Pẹ̀lú mi mo ló lọ.
Ìyàwó. Mi wọ́n bí tó lọ kọ́ gbẹ́rù ni.
Ó dà tó o bá mọ ibi tí ìyàwó lọ tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọkọ jáde ìyàwó náà jáde ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ dẹ̀ náà jọ jáde jọ ibo lọkọ lọ.
Brother Sam, married man lè ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé bo ló lọ. Mi wọ́n bí tó lọ.
Orí ẹ bàjẹ́ àti ẹ̀jẹ̀wọ̀ tí mi ò mọ̀. Àìmọye married man bó ṣe wà tó ti ṣe wákàn tó ti yí lórí wọn tó ṣe mama yí bí steering ni mama yí bí steering ni àìmọye married man tó ti yí bí steering lórí ẹ ìwọ yìí baby student.
I feel so great, and for the fact that the set man, being smart, was able to think for us, like Saamu Alajo will actually benefit us, and then for him to carry it out, the project out, by indulging us, by doing it, like it's a privilege, and it has helped me so far because you know you have to, in every series, I had to take different roles from what I have been doing before, and then it helps me grow. It helps me work on my stage fright, my courage, anxiety, you know all these things now. So I thank God for that, and I'm so glad that it was introduced to the group. When I was 7, I had to shovel in between acting and serving, and it wasn't easy for me at all. But thank God for today. I'm done and everything's fine. I've lost count, but let's say 70, over 75 actually.
Tó bá jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ máa fọ́gì mọ́ ẹ lórí orí ẹ bàjẹ́.
Brother, please, you got to take it cool with Lola. You see, peeps are on the lookout. Wọ́n wò yín, Sherry, bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ báyìí, làwọn èèyàn máa rí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe dáadáa pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn náà wá lè kó àwọn èèyàn tó tún pọ̀, wọ́n á lè kó wá sọ́dọ̀ yín. So bẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí treat ẹ̀ ló máa mátà o. Nítorí ọlọ́ ìjọ nítorí ọlọ́run, Brother.
Kí wàá dàbí daycare? Kí n dàbí daycare tó ń tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ? Àbí kí ló ń tẹ̀ láti sọ fún mi? Ìyẹn jẹ́ pọ̀ kánfàsì mi. Ìwọ ọlọ́run ju ẹ́. Mo rò kó máa sá lọ ní wàá rò kó tí màá ṣú ọ. Má lu ẹ̀ já sí hòhò ni. Ìwọ jẹ́ kó jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Jẹ́ kí ọmọ lọ́ta ẹ jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wá ní tí màá fojú ẹ̀ ní. Ẹni bá tún lọ wúwo nù yín, màá ní kó kúnlẹ̀ kó gbé. Ó máa kúnlẹ̀ máa gbé. Èmi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó máa kúnlẹ̀ máa gbé ni. Ṣé ẹ̀rọ mọ̀ yìí? Jẹ́ kó délẹ̀. Jẹ́ kó délẹ̀. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wà, ọmọ gíwọ̀, ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ wà.
Look at her. Lola. Bro, she's not free.
Ẹ filẹ̀. Ẹ fún mẹ́yìn. Má gbẹ́ nígi 1, 2, 3.
Bro, fuck it. Ó ti faint. Kò mímọ́.
Ó ṣe kí ni?
Ó ti faint.
Ó fèsì. Ó yẹ gbẹ.
Hey, ìdààmú àdúgbò. Saamu Alajo himself, actually, ìdààmú àdúgbò. Àwọn èèyàn kiss and tell.
àwọn ilé máa ṣoore fún ẹ ó tún máa lóṣòótì like Brother Saamu, if you did not see him in the community ẹ máa wá tẹ́ bá tún wá rí tán problem. And the funny thing about him is he can go to any lengths because he wants to help you. He will definitely help you, but he will come put that extra thing where he gets or to my extra to wọn tó bá dé pé bóyá o ṣe ni or you did something that is not right, he wants to correct you, man ó máa bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́ completely. I like his craft actually, and being for the fact that I'm also a member or something, whenever I watch it, it gives me joy. I even laugh as if I'm not even there when they were shooting it, so it's cool. Sherry, Saturday to Batimada, Jimo Latimo, because now OFP is improving, is a home of talents, and whereby we talents are being raised, and Ewa Jeka Jowo in 5 years to come, Ibulamawa. I know that we are not done yet, and then this is not the height of it. And OFP in 5 years time, we are moving forward, and then sky is just our starting point, and we promise not to disappoint you. Okay, the way I see him, Ambassador Odunlade Adekola is a smart man, he's intelligent, he's wise, he's great, he's good at his craft, he's handsome, he's someone that wants to see the best in you. He's a pusher, he's a teacher. Most times I will be on set, he'll be like, he will give us line. Okay, to me in particular, he would give me lines, and he'd be like, and he does that to everyone too. He'd be like, Shoti I became too so. He would say it again. He doesn't give up on people easily, and I love him for that. Because why? In Kotoba, daddy, that's here, and that's what he used to say. And there's one particular word I used to say. He would tell you that I learned that from him too. So if you are good at what you do, and then trust me, God will help you from there. I love him. I love everything about him because actually he's hardworking. I envy his strength and every other thing, and I pray that the way he wants us to grow, lágbára Ọlọ́run, àwọn náà máa grow. Our tawaji is biological children, and then we extended children, and your son, lágbára Ọlọ́run. So God bless you, sir. Thank you so much for all you do. I love you personally. You've been a good teacher to me. You taught me a lot of things. Thanks for not giving up on me easily, like so easily, because I know I'm a team. Thank you so much, sir.
Baby Sule, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Brother Saamu, ẹ ní láti wà very careful gan. Ẹ wo, inú ayé tí a wà ó gbẹgẹ́ gan. Èso báyìí dẹ̀ ni ìgbín gungi. Ẹ ní láti.
Bẹ́ẹ̀nu sáwọn.
Ṣé bí mo rí yín tẹ fún ìyá tó wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn? That blind woman, mo rí tẹ fún ní owó.
Ìgbà tí mo wá fún obìnrin tó ń tọrọ owó tó fọ́jú tí mo fún lówó ńkọ́, kí ni ẹni ṣe?
Ṣé mo pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fún lówó yẹn? Owó yẹn ó lè fi bẹ̀ sọ yín di eku.
Ó lè sọ mí dẹ́kun.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. In fact, ó lè sọ yín di ẹran. Ṣé rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ owó tí àwọn ènìyàn tó ń fún àwọn tó ń tọrọ owó yìí, àwọn oníbàárà yẹn tó ń fún wọn, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló fi ń ṣe tí a ò mọ̀. Inú rẹ̀ làwa máa náà ń ṣe. Ẹ ṣe wà careful. Nǹkan tèmi ni kì í sọ fún yín nìyẹn. Àdẹ̀wí awí tán àsọtán náà, èbú náà lẹ máa búyàn. Bí pé oore kan mo fẹ́ ṣe yín tí mo fi sọ fún yín. Wà careful o.
Ṣé obìnrin lè sọ mí dẹ́kun?
The cast of Saamu Alajo, the cast are really trying their best to make sure that everything works in place. God bless them. Like, it hasn't been easy, but I give it to the crew members. Man, I cannot do half of what I tried it once. I ran back like Musa, because if you don't have strength, you can't do this thing. These guys are really, really trying. I remember days where they have to sleep in the midnight after shooting. They have to wake up early for another shoot and all. And again, couple the fact that acting it requires times and all. God bless each and every cast and crew of Saamu Alajo, and I want to encourage you to keep doing it, keep doing more, because èèyàn mọ̀ bí tí èèyàn ti máa nǹkan ẹyọ kan tí èèyàn máa ṣe tí ó dẹ̀ fi máa blow. So ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ń bá wa wò, mo gbà aládùúrà wípé ojú yín tí ẹ fi ń wò kò ní fọ́ o, etí tí ẹ fi ń gbọ́ kò ní di, and owó tí ẹ mú tẹ́ fi ń ra data tẹ́ fi ń wò wá lágbára Ọlọ́run, owó yín yẹn kò ní kan ìsàlẹ̀ àpò, ọwọ́ yín yẹn á máa ròkè sí lágbára Ọlọ́run. And I want to tell you that you keep watching, because àìtí bẹ̀rẹ̀ rárá o, a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni.
Thank you very much. My name is Damilola Akinyemi, popularly known as Pelebe of Saamu Alajo. Every episode so far has been so wonderful, like back to back, no doubt about it. From episode 1 to current episode. Oh, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ àrímàlè lọ, àwò padà sẹ́yìn.
Pẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀, 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 pẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ máa jóná lọ́rùn o, pẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀, pẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Àjọkú nínú mọ́tò yìí, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́, ìgbà tẹ́bi tó wá débi, wọ́n tún wá lébi ni máa ṣe ìdájọ́ gbogbo àwọn tájọ wà nínú mọ́tò tájọ kú papọ̀. Tí ẹ ti bẹ́ àbí, nígbà tó jẹ́ pé ìwẹ́ ò dá sí mi. Ṣekúṣẹyẹ ni ẹ́, ó lóyà, ó wà straightforward, you don't respect your boss. Ọ̀gá ni mo jẹ́ sí ẹ nínú ayé, mo tún jọ̀gá sí ẹ lọ́rùn. Kí ló kù? Ó ṣe dáadáa kọ̀kan sí mi rí, ó lójú abẹ́ láyé, o ti fẹ́ jóná lọ́rùn. Ó yá, lọ jóná. Lọ jóná, lọ jóná.
Kò sí àṣànù nínú gbogbo àwọn episodes yẹn, but for the fun of it, ẹyọ kan tí mo lè sọ wípé mo really like dáadáa tó yẹ pé láàrin àmì àti àwọn àtàjọ wà ní OEFP tí máa ń sọ ó ní omi orí òkè. Omi orí òkè tí character tó jẹ́ lead actor nínú episode tá à ń ṣe yìí, ìyẹn Bọ́dà Sàámú tí wọ́n lọ mu omi orí òkè. So wọ́n wá ní oyún. So bọ́n ṣe character yẹn gbà tán lóyún yẹn tán bọ́ síta, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé mi ò rí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ rí, ó dẹ̀ ṣe máa amaze me up till date. So okay, máa fi ń ṣe mi ti lóyún, mi yára lé mi ti lóyún, tó yẹ pé kù wọ́n gàmbẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní orin kan tó kọ nínú episode yẹn tó yẹ pé ó go viral gan, ó go viral gan tó yẹ pé nílé láràárọ̀ mo máa ń kọ fún wa ní ara mi. So I would say for the fun of it, I would say omi orí òkè yẹn ni mo really like dáadáa, followed by àfọwọ́fà eléyìí tí wọ́n ti ń tọ̀ lé. tí wọ́n wá fún pé Pẹlẹbẹ ló lọ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọn níbi tán sàpamọ́ sí. You can imagine a colleague of mine told me pé wọ́n ní Pẹlẹbẹ wọ́n ní kó má dé ṣàpọ̀n o pé ìwọ ló lọ embarrass Bọ́dà Sàámú tí wọ́n ìwọ ló lọ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọn sọ lóye kọ́mọ̀ pọ̀ tọ̀ lé. I mean it is not me, it is acting. So far so good. I would say omi orí òkè àti àfọwọ́fà yẹn òun ni episode tí mo like, but every episode has been wonderful back to back.
Ó dàbí ẹni pé orí ọmọ ti fẹ́ máa wọ́ sísá.
Bọ́dà Sàámú.
Ẹni bá létí kó gbé tí sí agbóhùn ọmọ o.
Bọ́dà Sàámú kí ni gbogbo ilé ìbá nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ́? Bọ́dà Sàámú pẹ̀lú gbogbo wàhálà tẹ̀ fira yín ṣe. Ẹ̀mí yín gùn ọ́.
Orí ẹ bàjẹ́. Irú òwe wo ló pa ẹ̀pá mi gùn?
Bọ́dà Sàámú tí mo yẹ pẹ́ mi yín gùn, ẹ̀mí yín á ti jágúté ti pẹ́.
Pẹlẹbẹ.
Bọ́dà Sàámú.
Pẹlẹbẹ.
Bọ́dà Sàámú.
Ẹbí bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ gúnjẹ.
Bọ́dà Sàámú.
Ẹni bá rò kúrò rẹ̀ bá ní ìṣòlọ́rùn ni.
Kò máa wù mí káyé mi ó wà lójú kan o. Kò máa wù mí káyé mi ó wà lójú kan o. Mo fẹ́ tayọ kábíyèsí kò máa wù mí káyé mi ó wà lójú kan o. Dádì kò máa wù mí káyé mi ó wà lójú kan o. Mo fẹ́ tayọ.
For clarity purpose, yes. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ń lé. Mo ní ojú abẹ́. Mo ní ojú abẹ́. Kò sí obìnrin tí Ọlọ́run dá sílẹ̀ ayé náà tí ò ní ojú ara. Ó wá lè wà o, but èmi rí o, èmi ní ojú abẹ́ o. Ìgbà mi tí bá lọ ìgboro, àwọn èèyàn máa ní mo lọ sí ọjà, àwọn popular ọjà ní Abẹ́òkúta wa yìí. Ọmọ dídì dá mi dúró, àǹtí Pẹlẹbẹ yín ni, ó tẹ̀ ní ìbéèrè kan tí mo fẹ́ bi yín látijọ́ yìí. Ṣé lóòótọ́ lẹ lójú abẹ́? Bọ́dà Sàámú èmi oníṣìnà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọkọ mi lọ́wọ́ bíbá yìí, ẹ lè bí kò rí ọ̀rọ̀ mi rí, a ti sọ promise ọ̀rọ̀ kó jálẹ̀ ọjọ́ wẹ́dì kò tó rí ọ̀rọ̀ mi.
Ohun tí mo fẹ́ gẹ̀ẹ́tì náà ni ẹni mo fi jù wípé oníṣìnà ní àtòníranù. Ìwọ àti ẹjọ́ agree wípé ó dàlẹ́ ọjọ́ wedding. Why not? Kẹ́ ẹ̀ tó rúnra yín.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni Bọ́dà Sàámú.
Òbí ẹ̀dẹ̀ wà láàyè.
How is that your business?
Ó dẹ̀ fi lọ yẹ ẹ wò.
I am a Christian brother.
No, you are a foolish brother. You are an idiot brother. You foolish. Ẹni tó ń gbé kọ́kà kiri
tí n bá jẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹni ò tọrọ ni màá bá ẹ sọ bó ṣe wà yìí kò lójú abẹ́. lórí kò lójú abẹ́. bó ṣe wà yìí kò lójú abẹ́.
sùúrù ní sùúrù bó ṣe òótọ́ nìkan tí bọ́dà yẹn sọ pé ò lójú abẹ́.
bíbí kí ló tún sọ
wọ́n lò lójú abẹ́.
tọ́ba dùn mí ní mo lójú abẹ́.
ẹ ń rí àdìdé já test ẹ̀ náà. mi ò dúró de alẹ́ mi ọjọ́ iwájú mi ò dúró. No, I can't have that patience. ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
ó yá já wọlé kí n test ẹ.
bíbí kí ló tún sọ àtijọ́ àbí kò dá lọ́jọ́ wẹ́dì.
that was there not now.
pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ní sùúrù ṣé mo pé wọ́n fúnra ẹ ló gba yàrá nípa yìí kí ṣe bóun gbé lọ́dọ̀ èèyàn ẹ wọlé.
àbí.
ẹni kò fẹ́ lo yàrá tó fẹ́ kán bá ruwo ẹ lọ sókè.
àtijọ́ àbí kò dá lọ́jọ́ wẹ́dì.
wọ́n ní mi ò bà mọ́ bàkìrì mi ò bà mọ́ wọ́n ní sọ wọ́n lọ fún bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ̀sítẹ̀ àṣọ wọn.
ẹ bá mi bẹ́ẹ̀.
ṣé tí ìgbà wá sí ìgbà ìsìn wá wáyọ síbí wá ṣé ìwọ nìkan ló máa tọ́jú ọmọ yìí.
ó ti ẹ̀dá tẹ̀yìn ní ìsàsíkò ó ti wà ní àlùfáà. ṣé ìrìtẹ́ rí ẹlẹ́rìn ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀rí polówó.
oyún bọ́ o ó lè máa jẹ oyún o torí nǹkan tó ṣe ọmọ yìí ó mà ṣiṣẹ́ mi jẹta gbogbo ojú mi ló ń kó yìí mo ní láti bu omi kí n fi bọ́ ojú ni gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ lóyún.
ẹ wo ṣẹ́róyìn tó kọ́ ẹ̀yìn ó natural ṣẹ́rẹ́ lè tẹ̀mí wo yìí òye oyún ló ń pè.
ẹ dẹ̀ ṣúọ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òye oyún ló ń pè.
ó lè máa jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ náà lóyún.
òye oyún
lè ṣe máa ṣọ́ wa ó lè máa jẹ oyún.
I just want to say thank you to everybody tó jẹ́ crew OAFP Saamu Alajo crew members and the actors too. I just want to tell you that ẹ wò ẹ tí rí nǹkan kan o a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ṣe 100 lẹ́ṣì rí ẹ ṣì máa bá wa wo 200 300 400 500 ní agbára ní ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ibi tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ń mú owó tẹ́ fi ń ra data tẹ́ fi ń wò àgbà náà ò ní wọ bẹ̀ ojú tẹ́lẹ̀ fi ń wò wá náà ojú náà ò ní fọ́.
ṣé wàá dúró síbí kí ló ń ṣe ẹ ó jẹ́ ń gbọ̀n.
Shakiru, release that lady, let her come. A lot of error in Titi. If you refuse to release that lady to come, I will call a lot of error in Titi to arrest you guys. So, live and direct now. Shakiru, release that lady, let her come. Release her. I command. Àbòrí burú jẹ́ kókó sí dànù.
Bọ́dà Sàámú ṣe fẹ́ sọ pé àbúrò yìí ni kí ló dé tẹ́ wá sí dànù.
Ṣé èrè wèrè tí ò lójú abẹ́? Bàbá tiẹ̀ ti dábẹ́ ìlú bí kò bá pẹ́ mi. Kọ́ wá send the picture abẹ́ ẹ̀tàn dánú kọ́ send ẹ̀sìn mi tí ẹ bàjẹ́ tán nìyẹn. Níwọ ilé lọ̀rọ̀ wa.